Good morning. It's Wednesday and it is crazy rainy and thunderstormy. Today is so wet. I had to wear my rain boots to the car because I don't want to get my feet wet and have damp shoes and feet all day. That would suck. Headed back up to the doctor's office this morning, and probably gonna be late because of all this rain and muck. The rain has given us a nice little pond right in front of our front porch steps. So, yeah, that's a lot of water right there. I took a video, so I will put that video in right now. And, I don't know what we're gonna do about that. It's probably not gonna just it'll evaporate, obviously, and it'll go down into the ground over the course of the day or two. But it's not even spring yet, so we're gonna end up with more rain. And we're gonna have to figure out something to do about all that wet. Because it can't just sit there. I had originally thought maybe just for looks, actually, to do a little water fountain in the garden and have that water fountain overflow into a little tiny trickle stream that went under the porch and down into what will eventually be the probably koi pond or frog pond or whatever. But now it's looking like we might have to do something like that just to help clear out that water. Because it's a big puddle. Big puddle. It's probably like 3 inches deep at the deepest, and it's super wide. It goes right across our little sidewalk, so you can't stay there. I need to be able to walk through that. Yeah, so that's no good. Anyway, other than that, and trying to not drive so crazy, but get there on time, this morning, I woke up with a big, red, itchy, irritated spot on my chest. I have some pretty sensitive skin, and it reacts badly to a lot of stuff. And the other day, we washed the bed sheets because, you know, you have to wash your bed sheets periodically, about once a week or so. And we ran out of the normal fabric softener that we usually use. And so my boyfriend had bought some, I think it was just a Kroger brand, but they're supposed to be like free and clear for sensitive skin. They don't smell free and clear, they smell very perfumey, which I don't particularly care for. And then, so the first night after we washed them, I was laying in bed and my back starts getting really irritated and itchy. And that was no good. So what I ended up having to do was I took a blanket, a nice, soft, fluffy blanket, and I laid it on my side of the bed, under the covers, and then I got on top of the nice soft blanket, and then put the other half of the blanket over top of me, and then put the covers over that. So I was all like cannolied in and cocooned, sealed off from the irritating sheets. But I think what happened last night was that the under blanket slipped down and the irritating sheets got up on my chest, because I do tend to sleep with the blankets like pulled all the way up. It keeps me warm. So yeah. Anyway, blah 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 blah. All that was itchy and irritating and hurt my skin. And I took a video of my red itchy rash, and wow, listen to all that water. I took a video of it, and I will put that in right now. Much water and rain. Oh my goodness. These puddles. Anyway, all that jazz. So today I have to go to the store anyway and pick up some more cat food, because the cats are out of cat food and Kroger's is just down the street from the pet store. So I'm gonna go look for one of those like rubber dryer balls that you put in the dryer, that you don't need to use any fabric softener, and the dryer ball just takes all the static out. I'm gonna look for one of those and see if that helps. Because, well, dryer sheets are wasteful anyway. But, anyway, so, rain. Somebody just drove past and splashed a bunch of water up on my windshield. Today is gonna be one of those days. I can just tell. But, whatevs. I'm driving. So, yeah. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good Wednesday. Okay, bye.